Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to create videos without editing or filming? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use InVideo AI to turn your text or script into a full video in just a few clicks. Go to invideo.io, then click Try InVideo AI and either sign up for free or log into your account. Okay, enter your email. For this tutorial, I will use an temporary email. So click create account, or you can log into it with your Google or Apple account. So now go back to your email inbox, verify your email with verification code. Copy the code from your inbox and paste it here. Now click create account. Now enter your full name, workspace name, then click continue. Now you will see a simple box. Just paste your blog post, your script, or product description, whatever you want to turn into a video. Before before follow the process like that. Enter your birth, the date, year, then click continue. Now just paste your blog post, YouTube script, or product description, whatever you want to turn into video. Make sure your text is clear and has short, simple sentences. InVideo will break this into scenes. Next, choose the video style, like a talking avatar, cinematic, or B-roll format. Then select a voiceover from here. Click create a very fast paced video, YouTube short. Then click only stock media. Then choose language, English, voice actor, male, voice actor like this. Then background music, like up beat. Then click continue and type your topic here, like how to make a video in video. Then click continue and click generate video, and InVideo AI will automatically match visuals, add transitions, voice over, and text overlays based on your script. This usually takes a minute or two. You can preview this video and if needed, click edit to tweak senses, swap visuals, or update the voice. Once you are happy with the video, click export, choose HD quality, and download it to your device. Ready for YouTube, social media, or ads. And that's how you turn text into video using InVideo.ai. in 2025. No editing skills needed. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.